MMM came and left Nigerians with tears in their eyes. How many times things go happen to us before we go learn? Now, this cbex has been trending since yesterday night till this moment, and is a platform, I think a ponzi scheme on the internet. If you go to your Google cbex is a website. Many Nigerians invested. To be honest, many people who invested got paid, while some people, the last minute, they invested and boom, cbex crashed. Cbex, an investment platform, has officially crashed. Over 1.5 trillion naira was allegedly moved to a private wallet as users' balances dropped to $0.00. The platform is now exposed as a Ponzi scheme, wallying nearly $1 billion, 1.6 trillion naira. Before I continue, let me take a break to praise this God. Someone told me something equivalent to this thing. I don't know if na this cbex o, but the person was testifying how a platform has been paying him, a website has been paying him. In fact, all the things he has been doing recently, na this particular platform. And I gave him a bombastic side eye. Not until this morning, cbex started trending. Since yesterday night, it started trending. Cbex, go to TikTok. People they cry, people they shout, people they I say kilo dey wetin happen. Now this particular YouTuber warned so many people after his investigation. I don't know if he is a website designer or a cyber security guy, but the kind of investigation, in fact, he went into details. He gave a detailed information about this website, which is not on Google Play Store, neither was it on Apple Play Store. And in the course of his investigation, he discovered that this particular website, na Chinese website. Who are the people behind these websites? Their identities are hidden. So many bad reviews about this particular website. Now, my question is, why is it that some people do not want to work, but they want to reap where they did not sow? Now, only greedy person na im go fit fall for this kind of a thing. Yes, I said it and I will say it over and over again. It's only a greedy man, only a greedy woman, a greedy person and a greedy somebody that will fall for this kind of scheme. Like, why would somebody tell you to come and invest, and in next 6 days, 5 days, it will mature? You will get a double of it. Like, there's another one self that is trending in my area. That one, you will invest. After 1 year, your money will mature and they will give you double of the money. Like, if you invest 100 naira, after 1 year, you'll be given that 100 naira plus the 100 naira you invested. Like, you'll be given another 100 naira plus 100 naira you invested, making it 200 naira, and you'll be given foodstuffs. And the news flying around is that these people, they have been into existence for so many years. Me myself, the thing dey my area o, but I know they do. Ha! In fact, people dey collect am o, I dey see am o, but my fear is, what if e reach my turn now, dey come dey tell me story? I said I am not interested. Abeg, you see the way I dey hustle my hustle small small, e pay me. I dey hustle am, I dey see the money, e pay me. Na say I go just carry my money dey invest after 1 year. Abeg, I didn't do. I no dey do. Even this particular cbex, according to them, they say they have been in existence for 7 years, 7 to 8 years, but from this guy's investigation, they just came into existence last year, 2024. See, I know say life is a risk. I know that life is a risk, but there are risks that are not worth taking at all, especially this type of risk. These are how people reacted. In fact, Twitter, hey, that place don't go scatter, scatter. Alabi said, cbex can change their name to the best and people will still fall. Exactly. Even that MMM, don't be surprised, say na Chinese. Don't be surprised, say na Chinese. No wonder I get like 5 billings back to back today on my WhatsApp. Una use una money do cbex come dey need me wey dey manage to take care of my family. In fact, there was this one again, anchor it. Hey, everywhere on TikTok, anchor, and influencers, TikTok influencers. In fact, see, if they want to sanitize this social media, they should start with these influencers on social media, TikTok influencers especially. They will just give them peanuts and they will start promoting that platform till today. Where is Anchor? On the day they will pay, their website will be so busy that you, in fact, network problem, that you will not even be able to log in to know what's happening. And the next day they'll start shouting, network was busy, the network was busy. And all the influencers that influenced the anchor, they will start shouting, I was paid, I got paid, anchor paid me so. If no be anchor it, no be anchor it. Like, what the FK? Kai. You see this particular cbes, that one, na Pro Max, because now dollars, now they that one no be naira, dollars. Honestly, poor people don't know what they have been escaping. I dey tell you. You see, anything that has advantage has disadvantage. These are the advantages of being poor. Even though being poor is not a good thing, but now wow. Another person said, you know your circle is clean when you are just hearing cbex for the first time today. To everyone that lost funds to cbex, stay sane, please. Up and doing vigil because of cbex people. I just want to see reactions. It's official, cbex was a ponzi scheme after all. My guy isn't taking his calls. He has over $140,000 there. Hey, ọwara kí lọ̀hún ní he hapụrụ a whole $140,000 for platform wey even you see people dey use opay, all this online banking stuff. I am not here to criticize them, oh, abeg o, I no fit shout. But see, I for one, I cannot. I can't, oh, I can't. No matter they say it's fast, is this, is that. My dear, my advice to you, if you are making use of this online banking, don't go and pack your money there. Ha! Just be careful, be wise. As the money dey enter inside there, just dey comot am. Yes, as you are receiving it, you are receiving your funds because of how fast their network is, be removing it. Be removing it. Okay. Another person said, it's funny, I just heard about the cbex last week. When the person was trying to convince my husband, I just told him, well, showed me shege. Yellow Trader too did their own. Told him, uncle, just focus on Bitcoin. Like say, I don't know. My 4 million gone. That's why I can't sleep. You will think Oyibo are easy to XCAM until you jam Naija. The so-called smart people. We are the easiest. Sure. Kind of poverty wey dey for Naija today, everybody is just looking for means to survive. And as for the ones that are well to do, up and doing, na greediness. Their problem is greediness. The last but not the least, this person said, what if piggy vest crash too? What if piggy vest crash too? Na women go cry tire. Na there my wife life savings dey. Never wise owner. I just feel for them, oh. There was this video that I saw sef. That one sef na for up. He one from that place get himself for down. Say cbex don wole him money. I say Chineke. Hey! Money for this hard weather. The money that she would have used to do other better things, other things. See that one wey dey cry for there. Say one use the money open business. Ha! And some people, and one thing about this kind of platforms is once they come out there, it will be legit though at first though. Like if you invest, you will get your returns, even the money that you invested. And some people, they will be so greedy. As they are getting, they will be packing everything. As they are getting, they will be packing everything. They cannot make use of their number 6. Oh, this one, oh, okay, let me remove my I don't know what they call it, as in your main money that you invested, Then your profit You can use that one and be trading. If you are trading with your profit and that one makes another profit, you remove the profit, you use the initial profit and be trading, be removing the profit. So that when the thing crash sef, you no go too cry, you no go even too feel am. I know there are some people sef that are not crying because they too enjoy the platform before it crash. Those ones are the wise ones, but those ones wey be say they want to gain the whole world and lose their soul, na so they go just pack everything, carry me dey go. Cbex carry me dey go, dey go, dey go. It is well. I pray for them, make this one say teach them lesson. That being said, guys, that brings me to the end of this video. Please do give this video a thumbs up, massive likes, comment, and share so that this video will get the visibility that it needs. In case you're watching for the first time, this is Lovely Gist Lover YouTube. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. On this channel, we react, analyze, we give trending gist, celebrity news, true crime, and true crime stories. And to my Tony subscribers, thank you for always watching, liking, commenting, and sharing. Bye bye for now as I'm signing out for my next one. Peace out. I love you all. Okay, Messi and Bye.